How to get cure for diabetes and best diabetic meal plans. Onset is the time it takes for the drug to attain the bloodstream and begin lowering the glucose. The peak time is the time when the drug is at the maximum power, and the length is how lengthy the drug continues to work in decreasing the blood glucose level. Each affected person has special wishes with regards to insulin, and for this reason, there are many unique sorts of the drug. This can be useful information to a person who is learning to broaden a diabetic eating regimen but who's unaware of what ingredients rank excessive and rank low. The majority can also expect that a piece of white bread is manner worse for someone with diabetes than a candy bar. However, this isn't true. By way of learning the extraordinary scores and classifications on the glycemic index, a person who is looking their carbohydrates in addition to their diabetic weight loss program can examine some helpful lessons and discover ways to use the glycemic index to their gain. Other strategies of non-compliance include no longer monitoring their blood sugar. A diabetic is often prescribed a blood monitor that he or she have to use several instances an afternoon to test their blood glucose degrees. In addition, the tiers are recorded and must be supplied to the doctor at some point of their scheduled go-to. Other end result in greens, but, are ultimate than white rice, white bread, cornflakes and something made with white delicate sugar or flour. Different properly glycemic meals include whole grain breads and pastas. If you or a cherished one has kind I or kind E diabetes, you must switch to complete grain breads and pastas crafted from wheat flour. One thing a health practitioner will tell a affected person on a way to keep away from excessive glycemic ingredients is to keep away from something white. This includes white bread, pasta made with white flour, and even desserts or goodies made with delicate white sugar or white flour. Excessive glycemic ingredients tend to take a long time to digest within the gadget of a diabetic. Different suitable glycemic ingredients consist of whole wheat pastas and sure kinds of rice. There are many wonderful complete wheat pastas available on the market nowadays that make an exquisite substitute for classic pastas which can be crafted from white flour. Via being privy to the glycemic rankings, the effect of the glycemic index at the frame can also help a person who wants to avoid those carbohydrates that soak up speedy into the gadget and are the maximum difficult to digest. Best diabetic meal plans. Turmeric. A native of South Asia, turmeric is hailed for its culinary and scientific blessings because historical instances. It's far the root or rhizome of curcuma long, which is a perennial plant of the gingerone family. The prime constituent of this herb is curcumin, which renders the darkish orange-yellow color, slightly sour and hot taste and the mustard-like aroma to this spice. It's far a extraordinarily acclaimed spice and is used appreciably in cooking, due to its taste and distinguished fragrance as in powerful coloring. Turmeric has colossal healing and medicinal blessings. This rhizome is packed with restoration blessings and medicinal properties that help in treating diseases like allergic reactions, aches, infections, inflammations, indigestion, and diabetes effectively. It holds an essential importance in conventional medicinal treatment machine like Ayurveda and Chinese medication system. Turmeric is to be had inside the shape of a rhizome, powder, capsule, tincture, and oil. It does no longer typically have any side consequences. Diabetes mellitus, better known as diabetes, is a set of metabolic illnesses which disturb the glucose or sugar level within the blood. This is mainly because of both inadequate production of insulin within the body, which ends up in type 1 diabetic, or the frame's irresponsiveness towards insulin, which results in kind 2 diabetes. Turmeric is understood to show high-quality healing residences in treating diabetic. Antioxidant, antimicrobial and anti-glycogenic residences associated with curcumin in this spice help to modify insulin in the frame, manage and balance blood sugar and triglyceride ranges, prevent the development of insulin resistance or insulin sensitivity, boosts immunity, prevent infections and inflammations, and decrease frame fats and stress, and hence assist in curing and stopping diabetes. The presence of antioxidants and phytonutrients in turmeric assist in treating an array of illnesses to improve the overall health and well-being of the hundreds. This herb thus aids in strengthening the immune device. 1. Prevents health troubles to ensure a wholesome body which can fight sicknesses like diabetes successfully and effectively. 2. Boosts immunity. The antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-glycemic homes of curcumin present in this herb assist to fight and prevent illnesses by improving and strengthening the immune system of the body, and this also resource within the prevention of diabetic. 3. Regulates insulin ranges. The pancreas is accountable for generating insulin inside the human frame. The anti-glycemic assets of turmeric helps to keep the proper functioning of the pancreas, alter and balance insulin ranges, prevent the development of insulin resistance inside the body, lower the blood sugar and triglyceride ranges, thereby helping to treat diabetes successfully. 4. Produces undesirable frame fats. Being overweight or the problem of weight problems is a hazard component for diabetes. Curcumin enables to govern triglyceride and cholesterol levels inside the frame, balance blood sugar and glucose levels, improve digestion, take away and prevent accumulation of dangerous fats, thereby assisting to treat troubles of obesity, bloating and unwanted weight gain, to in addition prevent the ensuing onset of diabetes. 5. Prevents infections and inflammations. Positive pathogens like the virus, Coxsackie B4, are believed to trigger type 1 diabetic in humans. The antiviral, antibacterial and different antibiotic homes of turmeric assist to treat and save you those infections and thereby resource in averting diabetes. Turmeric also enables to treatment metabolic and inflammatory for inflicting excessive blood sugar troubles. Stem cell therapy will completely cure diabetes and more than 200 diseases, just in the comfort of your home. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share. Thank you.